Hey guys, it's Sevella Turner, and today guys I want to share with you our October box reveal. Okay, October. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the newcomers, actually I'm going to share with you the box and what it looks like. It is a Believer's Boss box. It is all about faith, hustle, and being blessed. And then right here it says believe in your dreams, which is very, very important, guys. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? So I'm not going to start off with that. I'm going to start off with our t-shirt subscription, which is in here. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side as I usually do. Out the way there. And go ahead and open it, okay? So the first thing I'm going to start out with is our Fall Vibes sticker. So you're going to get that. And for those of you who have already subscribed with the company and with us, we really do appreciate it. We really do. And this is our October affirmations, which is super important. I release what no longer aligns with my growth. You have to release it. Change is beautiful and I welcome it with open arms. Some people can't deal with change, but it is inevitable. It will happen over time, okay? I am blooming in every season of my life, and I wish that for each and every one of you. I really, really do. And we do bloom every season. We actually do learn something, right? I am grounded, grateful, and ready for new blessings. I hope that you are, because you will receive those blessings. I am at peace with where I am and excited for where I'm going. Yes, so it is really good to be at peace with where you are right now. I know a lot of times we want it to happen faster. I know for myself I do as well. But we have to be patient and just be happy with what we have, and you're going to be successful in wherever you're going. Next, I want to share with you guys the t-shirt of the month, okay, which is our Fall Vibes here. We have coffee or cappuccino or whatever you get, whatever you drink, a pumpkin, football season, and it's pie season. So most of us like that. I know I do. I don't drink coffee or anything like that, but I do drink tea, apple cider, stuff like that, hot chocolate. So this goes for anyone, but this is our Fall Vibe t-shirt. It's got a little heart right there. Okay, so this is what you would get with your t-shirt subscription. Now, extras. You're gonna also get these nice earrings here. Let me put them up close. Now these earrings, they're made out of wood, okay? They are made out of wood. If I get it out the little bag. There we go. See? They are made out of wood. So these are nice too. So you're going to get that. That's the accessory, the extra accessory that you would get. Okay? Now, you're going to also get a little card here, which is every time I think of you, I give thanks to my God. Okay? So let me put that up close for you. Get that. This month you're also going to get a pin here. Oops, got it upside down. Okay, make things happen, guys. It's up to us to make it happen. But this is what you'll be getting in the box as well. And then you're going to also get this really nice, you can see that up close there. This is a tree of growth. Okay, a tree of growth. That's what I like to call it. You get a pin that goes with it. Inside here, okay. That's inside. Put all your personal information. And then this is what the inside looks like, all right? And then you're going to obviously get in your book, and again, you get the pin right there, okay? And then you're going to get the Economical Entrepreneur by James Clark, all right? If you have a business, if you started one or thinking about one, but you are on a budget, because honestly, I think we're all on some type of budget. Everybody's budget is different, but we're all on some type of budget. So this is how you would get started. So this is really good for that. And then finally, guys, I got a lot of requests for this hat, and so I decided to give this hat for this month. Okay, just a girl who loves fall. And if you're a guy, then you're going to get one that says just a guy who loves fall. But this is the color because it's orange and we're in fall. And then this pin right here, if you, well, I shouldn't say female, anybody can use it. You can take this off of the hat and you can use it on another piece of clothing if that's what you want to do. This right here is a hat chain, so it actually goes with the hat. But you can also take it off here. See right there? You can take it off, okay, and use the chain for other hats if you have other hats, okay? So that is what comes in our October box. I look forward to sharing our next November box. Now, if anyone has suggestions or anything, you know, please let me know. Not a problem. I love taking suggestions because why not? So, hope you guys are having a super day, and we look forward to seeing you guys at our next video. Happy Thursday.